So, is the baby coming tomorrow?
Yeah.
Is it going to be a baby brother or a baby sister?
Baby brother, I want it.
Yeah, but it's going to be a baby brother? What's the baby's name going to be?
I don't know.
You don't know? Don't put that in your mouth. Is the baby going to sit next to you? And are you going to help us feed the baby food? And how about, are you going to help change the baby's diaper? Are you going to share your toys with the baby?
Baby needs to make a shower.
Baby needs to make a tower. Yeah, so you're going to help, you're going to share your toys?
Mom needs to take the letter. I need to put on the top.
Oh, you need to put it on the top? Okay.
Do you love the baby?
Yeah, I need to put on the top so the baby don't have to say the door.
So the baby doesn't have to say what?